Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with another quick and easy weekday meal, and tonight it's spaghetti. I'm starting with cutting up my sausage. I like to add sausage to mine just to make it a little more hearty.
So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off me.
While my sausage is cooking, I'm gonna cut up my bell peppers and my onions. Those are a must.
Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill. Can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneeling. Or police killings. Or Trump saying slick shit. Manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant. Blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence.
Sausages are done. Now I have my ground beef on, which I season generously, because if it ain't seasoned, it ain't right. Once my meat starts to brown, I add in my onions and peppers. I love seeing all the colors when I cook. Alright guys, so my meat is all drained. I'm adding that back to the pan. I'm adding my sausages back to the pan, and we're going to get this meat sauced up. I like to use 1 small jar of the 4 cheese sauce. It's just, I don't know, I just like how it tastes. And then the rest I'll use the meat sauce. Another reason why I like this sauce is because of the chunks of tomatoes it has in it. Y'all, I like my spaghetti very saucy. I do not like dry spaghetti. Also, by me putting it in the oven, I'm going to be putting it in the oven and adding cheese. So you really want to make sure you have enough sauce. I'm seasoning up my sauce and also adding a little bit of sugar just to cut down on the bitterness.
Fuck up.
And as you can see, I'm preparing it to go in the oven. And y'all, I had to end up using a bigger pan because I did not realize I had so much spaghetti. I have my oven preheated to 400 because that's what I needed it to be preheated for the garlic bread. And I just left it in until, you know, all the cheese was melted all the way through. And this is the finished product. It was so good. A nice cold glass of iced tea, and that's it. A quick and easy weekday meal. Thanks for watching, guys.